Meditation.
How are
Uh,
you?
actually, my fasting sugar before starting this program is around 160,
Okay.
and now it is coming to 104, sir.
Wow, amazing. Congratulations,
One,
sir. Congratulations.
104, and my weight is also reduced. Earlier it was 75, now it is coming to 71.
4 kg weight loss, blood sugar,
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah. Now I stopped. Before that, 1 liter I have to make detox tea. Now I made 200 ml.
Okay.
And instead of coffee, I am taking this only. My morning schedule after fitness session, I will go for soup, vegetable soup,
Okay. Okay.
and
Fine.
then I will take 5 to 6 almonds, and
Hmm.
I have to make this ragi ball. I think you can.
Yes,
I
yes.
am actually from Bangalore. I
Okay.
am
Okay.
taking ragi ball. I will not add rice with that ragi ball. I will
Okay.
take only ragi ball. And in the night, I am taking some millets.
Perfectly fine. Venkateshji, congratulations.
That's what, sir. And right now, my fasting sugar is stabilized, almost
Stabilize.
stable. And I am having, because I am diabetic from past 23 years.
Okay.
Actually, and without asking the doctor, I skipped one tablet in the evening. I mean, sorry, in the night.
Okay.
One tablet I skipped, and the result is same only. Around 104, 106, it is coming.
Super, super. Venkatesh sir, बहुत बहुत बधाई. Congratulations. You're doing great. Just keep it up.